Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to edit HTML code in Wix. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your site editor and now click on this plus icon here, and inside of this list you will get this embed option, so click on it. Now you can select embed widgets or embed a site. So I'm going to select this embed widget, and you can resize or reposition the embed area. And now click on enter code and select here code, and now you can easily edit or enter your HTML code here, and then you have to click on apply. So this is how we can edit and add HTML in Wix. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.